How to enroll in Santander Bank Online Banking service. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open browser in your PC or mobile device and search for santanderbank.com. You will be directed to the official page of Santander Bank. At the right corner, you can find this option of login. Click on it. Now over here, you can find this option of first time user. Enroll now. Click on it. Online banking enrollment. Now you have to go through these processes to create online banking in Santander. Firstly, you will need to click on this drop down of identification options. You can just select the account number or ATM or debit or credit card. On the basis of identification option you have to type in the account number or ATM or debit or credit card, and then you have to type in last 4 digits of SSN number over here. In the case you don't have SSN, you can click on this option of don't have SSN to get one. After you fill all of these, you can click on the option of continue. And in the next page, you have to go through the verification process and all the process that is required for the online banking enrollment. And then your Santander Bank Online Banking service will be activated. So this is how you can easily enroll in Santander Bank Online Banking service. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.